Oh, gnarly. We're gonna be backpacking on the Massanutten Trail in Duncan Hollow. One night, had some time from work to get away, so here we are in George Washington National Forest. Our creek's running slow, but there's water in it. We'll be camping by here upriver. Last time we were here, there was a lot of water. So far, nobody on the trail except one squirrel hunter. Apparently, you can hunt for squirrels. Who knew? There's still squirrel hunters out there. 1 year ago today, what happened?
My name became Bone Crusher.
It's the anniversary of the arm break. Yeah. Bone Crusher, there's titanium in here. It's ultralight, ultralight.
Now I'm Wonder Woman.
It's an ultralight plate holding her bones together.
Bullets.
All right, well, you're not gonna break your arm today, right? You could always break your other arm.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. Let's do it. One more arm. One more arm.
Funny.
Nice easy hike so far. Following the creek. Just a moderate uphill, but nothing too crazy. We haven't seen anybody on the trail yet today, except for that squirrel hunter. This is what you get when you come here. Quiet and solitude. Spider web on my face. Well, we made it to the campsite, looks like here. First campsite about 3 miles in from the trailhead. Yep, this will do. Home for the night, and then we'll drop camp here. And then we're gonna hike up to Stickler Knob or Duncan Knob, one of the two. This is perfect. Nice sight. Let's hope the water is flowing a little bit in the river. Yep, looks like we got a little flow over there. That's good.
Rock couch?
Yeah, the rock couch.
That's more like a couch than chair.
That would be, yes, the recliner.
Oh, yeah.
This for a sacrificial lamb?
You break any bones yet, Bone Crusher?
Almost, a couple times.
All right.
But last, no broken bones.
Is this home for tonight? We're home. Got camp set up in record time. I mean, probably 10 minutes. We got everything set up. Got the hammocks hung, got the tent set. Take a little tour of the campsite. Bear line. Main kitchen area. This is Ott Mountain over here. This is our home for the night. Then we got our hammocks just for hanging out in. We're not gonna sleep in those hammocks. We're not quite there yet. Not to cuddle too much. Over here we got Taylor Mountain. They're sporting the Marmot Ajax 3-person tent. Looks bigger than our tent. Ours is small. They've also got their Eno set up right here. Chillaxin hammock. That's about it. Creek's down behind me. Gonna grab some lunch. It's only 12:30. Got here early. Dave's over there taking a break.
Dave loves to take breaks.
A little lunch break. Tortilla, tuna, sriracha. Dave's got some kind of a weird looking sandwich with some kind of weird looking bread. The healthy stuff. And Julia's chipping it up.
Got orange and nuts.
Bone Crusher over there.
I'm being healthy.
Just taking a little break here at camp before we hit one of these knobs. Sounded weird, didn't it? We're gonna hit a knob. Probably gonna do Duncan Knob. It's a little closer. And start with that one, see how we feel. For now, it's nice to sit in this lazy hammock. Heading upriver now to Duncan Knob. Gonna get some really good views up there, we hope. Got my pack on, but it's just got some snacks and some drinky. All right?
Money shots.
Money shot. Switching to Gap Creek Trail now, heading straight up the hill. On our way up to Duncan Knob. No broken arms, right?
We'll see.
This trail is straight up. We're all huffing here. Starting to get a view. This trail is getting progressively worse. Blowdowns, overgrown. You just forge on, man. That's all you can do. That's what you do at All Mountain. Keep going. Always keep going. So the sign said 0.5 miles to the saddle, and we're already at 0.84 on the GPS. So I think that sign may be a little bit under representing the distance here on this climb. It's been straight up, never ending, and it's gonna be closer to a mile by the time we get to the saddle, and then we have to still go 0.2 Duncan Knob. Peach Orchard Gap here. It actually ended up measuring 1 mile on the GPS. 1 mile instead of half a mile. It was just mentally, we were never expecting a mile. We were thinking half, so tough. You doing all right there, Crusher? All right. Duncan Knob is that way. We were here last year. You can check out that video if you want, where we camped up on that ridge. It's somewhere down. Scroll down in the feed and you'll find our video. Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will.
We gotta go up there?
That's right, Dave. We have to go up there. What? Or you just say we did. So last year, Bone Crusher, you weren't able to make it to the top. Do you think you'll make it this time?
Stay tuned and find out.
I can't wait to see if you make it.
I bet you neither can you.
The rock scramble begins. Follow the Karens. What do you all think? We got this?
Oh, hell yeah, we got this. We didn't even know this was here. 10 hours ago.
Trying to scramble our way to the top. Hope we make it. The route is unclear. Dave's gone on ahead, so if there's danger, hopefully he'll be the one to greet it first. Good job so far. No broken arms today.
Not yet. Awkward angles.
That's what she said. Oh my God. That was a hell of a climb so far. We're not there yet.
Look at that. Woo.
Bone Crusher. Got another 1,000 feet to the top.
We can do it.
Hammock time. This view is ridiculous. That bubble is still going. It's oh, finally. Well, after being lazy here for about an hour, maybe, naps were had by some. I will not say who. Turns out going down's a lot harder than going up. Well, we got down the big rock pile. I want to work out. That was one tough hike out here, that trail.
Got the long running, Dave.
Yeah, I'm not even running.
That half mile, it turned out to be 2 miles, both ways. Crazy hike up that hill, man. We spent an hour up on top. It's already almost 5. No time to go to Strickland Knob. We had a good time at Duncan, and it's definitely more rigorous of a hike that we planned, just getting out of this little valley we're in. Heading back to camp. We got a 1/4 mile, and then we're gonna have some fun, relax. I made fire! key with fire building is prep. You got to prep everything. Got to get everything pre-stacked. The little pieces, the big pieces, the kindling, the tinder, get it all ready before you light that match. Remember. Cheers, kids. Wine 030. Crafted the ultimate fire.
Yeah, a little reminiscent. You may have something pull out, we don't know.
Oh, the weird conversations we have. You'll never get to see or hear about. Testing out the product we got in our Cairn subscription box. It's a little grill, meat and vegetables in here, clamped to a stick, and we're gonna cook it. Dinner, peppers, sausages. Good morning, campers. Well, we're heading out of camp here. Had a good trip. Battery's running low, so I'll keep this short. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you on the trail. Oh, gnarly.